Good morning, friends, and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is actually market day. It is Sunday, June 7th. It is 8:30 in the morning right now, and I just arrived at my mom's because this is where I keep all of my stuff that I use for markets. So I am going to load up my car first. I have to be there at 10:30, and it is about a 45-minute drive. I still need to go to the grocery store and pick up some breakfast and some drinks. So I have about an hour to do all of that before I have to hit the road. Today is a market at a castle, which I am very excited to see how this will play out. I don't really have my hopes up. I'm not expecting like crazy sales, but as usual, I will give you guys an update at the end of the market. Let's hope I make a few sales at least. The market is from 12 to 6, so it'll be a long day. I think once I get home, it will be like a 12-hour day. So that will be a real bummer if I did all of that for nothing. But we'll see. Let's hope it will be a busy market. The weather is looking pretty good. It's not very sunny, but it's not raining. It's about 19 degrees, so perfect shopping weather. We'll see, but I am excited to take you guys along with me today. All right, I'm already sweating, but I just loaded up the car. As you can see, I have to be there at 10:30, so it's now 9:15. So I'm going to quickly stop at the grocery store, pick up some breakfast. I already have my lunch with me that I bought yesterday, but I wanted to go grab my breakfast, maybe like a coffee on the go and some drinks for during the day. So yeah, I'll see you when we get there, I guess. All right, I have my coffee to go. I have a little snack for on the way. There's so much wind. My hair is looking crazy, but let's go.
the colors. Summer love. Blow
Alright, I just got back home. I unloaded the car. It is now almost 8 o'clock in the evening, and I thought I would give you guys a little recap of today. So it started off really slow. I think I had 0 sales at around 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but then it started to pick up, luckily. So I had 10 orders and we did 322 euros in sales. That's pretty okay, but not like the best ever. So that is actually what I was expecting, something in that range. So yeah, it wasn't super good, it wasn't really bad either. So yeah, I'm happy to be back home. I'm going to spend some time with my family, have some dinner. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.